Good day all. Today we're gonna be doing a engine rebuild do it yourself season 1 episode 5 on our BMW 330 B48 hybrid.
Wiecie, fakolik jest. Tutor tu padam dia. Tutor. Hi guys, so we have the bore gauge.
Dead on. Dead on right through. Everything looks nice, beautiful.
Number 4 cylinder, what's up with number 4 cylinder? Yeah, fair enough. $17.
17 though.
Yeah, so we had a fight.
That good.
Yeah. How many hours? No, how much this one is?
This one Dom use 17 though. CP recommend 21 though.
Check 19.
Like 19?
Yeah. 20. I
20.
think 21 will be tight. Alright.
Like 21.
21. 22. 22 though.
22 though. 17 though. We get 22 though for the second ring.
Yeah, the fine emerald
Yeah.
and a 5.
A 5 or a block?
A 5. A flat 5.
Yeah, suppose not. Removing the dowels here. Now it's nice and flat. So just clean it up.
You get some paper already? I gonna be long back in.
Don't try that.
That
Yeah.
You how I get kerosene then?
Me, you know.
Hi guys, so as you can see he's using a flat file here and just a very fine emery paper with a bit of kerosene on it just to clean up all the remnants of the head gasket. If you want to get this done locally in Trinidad, check out Charles Machine Shop. I'll leave a contact on the screen to call and put in your order.
It's pretty smooth, eh?
No, but it still has
Yeah.
a little something around the thing here. I don't want
Everything
to.
gasket.
Nah, this is good. This use already, you know. This looking course so it used already. So everything come out right. I think we could do, you know. Pass your finger. You seen it, but you already feeling it.
Yeah.
That isn't the aluminum itself. You can't be cutting
Yeah.
thing there. So I think we should be
You're
alright.
passing near the hook and
No,
nothing.
no. Especially around here.
Yeah.
Or we could go beyond the quarter tent out, right?
Means give it. Get it off.
And
Are you done looking like you?
if we turn it on its side and put the glazer in it, we are going to drop in so.
You mean you could run out?
It will be level now. So at least not that, because I'm already putting kerosene inside the polish anyhow.
If you turn it this way too, nothing go in the oil squirter.
Yeah.
Right, so update, we have the engine turn on its side. We have the oil squirter on the top here.
Cast iron.
Cast iron.
Yeah, this stamp.
You got it.
It don't have a stamp like how the forge will do.
Okay.
So we have the oil squirter on the top there,
Everything.
straight down in the back. So we put it like this. Gonna use a bit of kerosene and just skim the block a little bit just to clean it out, and then blow it out, clean it out properly, and that's it.
Can we hold camera? Give it.
We should be ready.
Switch to the next drill.
No, well, according to what size I have, what you using now?
Even without wiping, you can tell. It's just beautiful. Just trying to spray out the cylinder walls after the glazing before just blowing it out with the air compressor.
That's why I put it at this angle.
Yeah.
And it is.
Hi,
there's no
guys.
instrument.
So here now, gonna measure the ring gap. Insert the ring, use a new piston,
Just quit.
square it up.
Alright?
And as you see in here, there's the gap. You're using a feeler gauge set. Choose your size feeler gauge.
I like how they hop cap.
That's 16 thou.
16 though.
So that's ring number 1. And let's check the second one now. Square up, you can see the gap there. Let drag. This
20.
one is 20 thou.
20.
Yeah, the scraper retainer here now.
Photo.
24 thou here. Scraper retainer. So you got 2 of those and then you got the oil scraper. So that's it, you're measuring 4 all cylinders, the 4 sets of rings, all cylinders only measured on the bore gauge as you saw before, although the same, so it doesn't matter which one you measure on.
Take it to be polishing your crankshaft.
Alright, so you're cleaning the rod bearing journal now. Gonna measure. So when the piston and rod is assembled, it's just a bolt up.
Scissors, you back inside. The scissors.
So you're assembling the piston now.
Your pony pin now.
Inserting the pin, you insert the snap ring. So this is where you need to figure out. Alright guys, so we have the exhaust side here with the engine upside down. This is the front of the engine. So you're figuring out the
Front.
direction of the piston and the rod that they need to be seated.
Intake on this side, right? And exhaust D, right?
Yeah.
Get your grips.
So we get in it. Intake on this side, exhaust on this side, and for the rod, the coil right in facing forward.
A wire clip.
Okay, so we have the circlip inserted on this side here. So you see it
Like
here.
them with her eye.
You want to make sure that the opening on the circlip is not aligned with this here, otherwise bad days. Getting it in on the next side. Same thing.
Pick up that one.
Hi guys. So we have the plastic gauge here. Plastic gauge here. We have the rod and the piston in the cylinder already. Going on with the cap.
Just want to take out that there.
Here on the top goes.
You want to? Yeah, too much time with me. You live in your house, you don't do? She over know you, right?
Me no.
You get it to do you?
Nah, me no.
Yeah, you can catch it. You can catch it.
Right, nothing.
Oh,
Nothing I wouldn't say in one time.
You went to the 58.
up in the 58 here now.
So you get a click there.
I was in the click for it.
Yeah, no.
No, yeah.
Nicely. So we torque there with the plastic gauge. Now time to loosen it.
Để cái phần này thì kiểu điện nó chứ là
I gotta tap it off.
rồi vào hả? Đi gọi này đi chứ. Hold up đi. Phần này
Yeah,
đi
hold
thế.
it. I hold it.
À bây giờ chị. Chị put your hand on it.
Yeah, well, you
To make
gotta
sure.
watch your hand.
Watch this hand here.
Hey, go ahead. Hey.
Very nice boat.
Drop
No
it.
job there.
Alright.
Yeah. Come now. Take it out slow.
You hold it?
No, drop your hand. Yeah, push it down.
Yeah, I drop in there.
Yeah. Hit the reach one. I'll answer.
Yeah, what?
That'll go straight out. Hit the reach. Hit the reach.
You sure any right hole?
I feel it. Yes, sir.
So make sure that
2.5.
you get the boat.
2.5, like the same thing like thing.
You means.
Hey guys, so you seen it there? Line up with the white marker. That's a 2.5. 0.0015. Measure the plastic gauge. There's a clearance between the rod
No?
and the rod journal. Hi guys, so here we installing the rings onto the piston. So first you have the oil scraper going on. Then you're going with the two retainers, top and bottom.
Yeah, these wires. I'm doing some tricks here. I'm gonna learn something. So here with our bombs.
Cutting it after the pick.
I want to make sure it's sitting good.
Down.
Quiet for now. Yeah, learn something.
Right or wrong? Right, so you have the two retainers there. Now we insert it into the vise to hold it. Because the top two rings are the ones that
Shane.
can break very easily.
Alright, just going like this, right?
In any
so you
direction
can-
up,
yes,
your
and on top
numbers
and
going up.
underneath.
Yeah,
Yeah, what
scrape,
scraper is scrape.
do mechanical lá, como é que aqui? Mas eu devia dar 10 BMW.
All nice and easily. And you have the scraper on the bottom. You'll feel the scraper and you have the numbers on top. Be very careful with this part. Slide it on easily. And that's it. So here you have it. You have your 3 rings, top, your middle, and your scraper with your 2 retainers on the both sides, top and bottom. Alright guys, so here now we put in the rod bearing onto the rod. So you're just gonna make sure that the surface here is clean. This man sprayed my whole hand, he didn't spray the cloth at all. Making sure the surface underneath here as well as clean. And then you just insert in your bearing, line up your notch. Yeah, so you have the pistons cooking here. You're lining up your notch here on this side, and then you just slide it in. Press it in nice and easily. Make sure you have no oil under here between the bearing and the rod. So you want to clean it out properly. We're using contact cleaner here, and clean it out properly. Wipe it out, make sure there's no lint, and then you insert your bearing into the rod. And onto the end cap too, make sure there's no oil between the bearing and the end cap.
Thank you all for watching and stay tuned. Engine Rebuild Do It Yourself Season 1 Episode 6 coming soon.